We stopped here in WaKeeney, Kansas. Just like that, we got Kansas on. Keep on watching. 68 days here at the fam camp in Effie Warren, and it was phenomenal. It's quiet, it's peaceful. You get to really meet nice people, and yeah. So now, keep on watching, see where we're heading next, and come along with us, and hope to see you then. See you next time. Hey guys, we're heading east on I-70. We got about 1,600 miles to go. But yeah, come along with us and see where we're heading. And if you have any guesses, drop them down in the comments. Yeah, like this video, show your friends. Yeah, keep on watching. Made it to Kansas, babies.
We came in here in our brand new 2024 Wildwood Heritage Glen by Forest River, and that was sitting on our dining room table. It broke the dining room table, broke the bench. Yes, it's definitely RV life, but the company we bought it through, Bishes, isn't gonna help us. Thankfully the fridge is still working, but we'd like to be able to get to our destination, and they want my fiance to fix it himself. They don't want to help us. Can't send a mobile tech out because they don't have mobile techs.
No mobile techs. They want to FaceTime so they could do a patch. So I could do the patch. Do their work for them on our brand new.
We can kind of guide you to the best way that we can assist you, like to get it taken care of. But I mean, they're the master technicians. They will tell you actually if we can fix it over the phone, or we can, they'll give you all those options when they call you. And if we can, then we can just start the warranty claim and get it taken care of.
He said if we're in Florida, they have mobile techs. They have mobile techs. They're not through Bishes, but they have mobile techs.
Yeah.
So she needs to find somebody that's going to fix it, because how are we supposed to drive down the road with the fridge out of it?
Which is why this call is also part of it, because the technician can also tell you if he can find mobiles.
Okay.
He can find the option. So yeah, so I put you in that call, and it will be just a few minutes, and he's going to call you from an 866 number, send you a text message with the link for the app, so we can see what you see and do our best to get this taken care of.
Okay, so when will he be calling?
It will be just just a few minutes. I put you as urgent, so they should be giving you a call pretty soon.
Okay. And what is your name?
All right. My name is Caroline.
Okay, thanks.
And it should ask you to let me use your camera. All right, I can see. So let's come over here to this guy. Kevin, does it look like a little bit far away? Does it look like even it's pulling that face frame off the side right there?
Yeah, it tore it all out. Then this.
That looks like the only thing that's broken on the table is that.
Okay, it doesn't look like it actually damaged the tabletop or nothing.
No, the tabletop looks good.
And it didn't mess up.
What? Those ones are good though, right?
Yeah.
It messed up this because the fridge, the freezer
leaking.
defrosted right here. And then this is broken as well. So here's a fridge update. This is how Houston was able to refasten it to what we had at the time, because we were in the little small town with only a Dollar General and 2 gas stations. He was able to use some washers and some longer screws and to get it put back in there. The problem is we think that the pedestal down here broke, because you can see it's like uneven up here, and that's why every time we move, the screws kind of move up here, because there's only 4 screws holding it in. They were self-tapping screws, and these were the only screws that were holding it in, these 4, and they fell out into the little pocket right here in the fridge because they're inside the fridge. So yeah, there wasn't much holding the fridge in, and whatever happened, because these are supposed to go in sheet metal, not in particle board. So
Just like that, we got Kansas on. Keep on watching, see where we're headed.
hey guys, so we stayed one night in WaKeeney, I don't know how to pronounce it, Kansas, and kind of reminds me of Lost Hills a little bit in California. It's right off I-70. So I mean, you can hear a little bit of the traffic, but it's not too bad. It's a nice little stop. We can't drive through the night, we have 4 kids, but this was nice for one night, just to get through Kansas, go to Missouri. I think it's a good little stop. Now we're hitting the road. Ruben wants to say hi. Huh?
Hi.
It's Ruben.
No, this does look like Lost Hills. That building's the same as Lost Hills, and this place is...
We didn't really get to experience it because of our refrigerator debacle, but hope and pray it goes well today. We're just ready to stop for a while and relax, and yeah.
Kind of get all of our things fixed, and yeah. We stopped here in WaKeeney, Kansas. We're heading east, and this is a great little KOA. It's very nice. It's very nice, and the people are very friendly, and we just enjoyed our time here. We stayed one night, and it was $40, and you have full hookups, and yeah, you come in, you pass Subway. The directions they give you online are very self-explanatory of where you got to go, and yeah. So yeah, you come in here in the little office. They have complimentary coffee. Yeah, and they really keep up on it, as you can see. And so it just tells you all the neat stuff that they have going on. Yeah, this place it's like a little hidden gem, so don't tell too many people about it. Keep on watching. So these sites are huge, and you know how I know they're huge? We stayed hooked up the whole night, and yeah, we didn't disconnect, even though you guys seen our problems with the fridge and all that. We just figured it out and figured out what we were gonna do. But we are fully hooked up, and we are as long as a tractor trailer. And yeah, I mean, they stay there, and this place is just a really cool place. So if you guys are coming through WaKeeney, Kansas, come check it out. Enjoy this place. Tell them Rolling with the Sanchezs sent you. So yeah, as you can see, we're fully hooked up, and check it out. Now we got the great state of Kansas. So as you can see, we are fully hooked up, and we still have plenty of room in the front and in the back. So if we were leaving a little bit bigger, we'd have plenty of room to stay connected. So this is a little hidden gem, right, babe?
Yeah.
This place is sweet. We really enjoyed it, and yeah. So if you guys are rolling through, just come check out this place, and until then, see you guys next time.